Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. So first we're going to be making our slime base. I'm going to be adding white glue and clear glue and add about the same amount of each. Next we're just going to mix everything together thoroughly and make sure it's one smooth mixture. Keep in mind that clear glue activates faster than white glue, so mix everything together well. After, add about 2 teaspoons of water, and I'm just using a spray here. Mix everything together and add a few pumps of lotion. Don't add too much or else your slime will be too soft. Next, add about 2 small pinches of baking soda and mix together. Finally, you can add your activator in slowly and mix until it clumps up. When the slime starts sticking to itself, use your hands and knead the slime. Next, put the slime on the surface you're working on and start kneading it on there. After kneading your slime, it should look somewhat like this. Moving on, we're going to be making our clay part. Choose your container for the slime. Next, choose the type of clay that you want to use. Try shaping it on top of your container to see how much clay you will need. Next, mold your clay into whatever shape you want. I just made this little shape right here. For my clay piece, I'm kind of making a donut without a hole. So I want to add some strawberry syrup, so here I'm using some red clear slime and putting that on. As you can see here, I'm just using some pink glitter to imitate sprinkles. This is my fully finished clay piece. Next, you're just going to want to put all of your slime into your container. After you do that, just put your clay piece on top of your container, like so. As you can see here, this is what my DIY clay slime looks like, and here's some ASMR. My slime turned out great, and it was a coral color. When I put the slime back in my container, it definitely inflated a lot. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Bye guys!